I love Sundays because, as you guys probably know, it is one of my only days that I'm not in work. So I like taking the time to just do whatever I want to do. And something that I love doing is just detoxing and staying off of social media, putting my phone down and doing something a little different. I love word search. That is why I have my own word search book. I will have it linked down below. But this is something that I love doing on Sundays because all during the week, I'm literally on my phone all the time, on my computer, and it's just fun to just put everything down and have a digital detox on Sunday and do something with my hands, or where I can actually actively do something instead of just scrolling on my phone all day long.
I've been around, but I can't get you out of my head. Try to stray, try to forget, but the thoughts, they seem to drown me instead.
I always struggled with finding a research book that had fun things that I would be actually interested in. And this is white paper, which we absolutely love, and fun themes like Starbucks, fall, Taylor Swift, and so much more. I love that I'm able to just lose track of time while doing something really fun and relaxing.
I've always wondered what it takes to fill this empty void inside. But now I've realized you were what I needed this whole time. I've been around, no one else has got me feeling this way. Every minute.
Something that I have to do to reset my life and get my things together for the week that is coming up is I have to plan. If I don't do that, my upcoming week is just going to make me feel so anxious and overwhelmed. So to avoid all of that, you guys know that I use my planner. So I love Sundays for just kind of filling out what is upcoming for the week, any ideas in my mind, any things that I have to do. And of course, I'm using the Everyday Planner, which you guys know a lot about by now, but I will link in all of the details down below. So I wanted to do a little fall themed pumpkin spread in my planner, even though it is like the last week of October, but I have to do it because I feel like if I don't, I would really regret it, because fall will only come around until like next year. I have some of my stickers and cute things from my shop to go ahead and decorate my spread with, and I can't believe that like a week from now I'll be sharing with you my pumpkin patch vlog, all things fall, autumn. I can't wait because I have just been waiting for this for like 3 months now, planning this event out and getting ready to have all of the local businesses and stuff there. So you guys could probably look forward to that video coming up so you can kind of see a sneak peek of what I do. And oh, by the way, this scrunchie is called a pumpkin spice, and it will be there available at the event next week. So I'm really excited to just finally show you guys everything, all of the details and artwork and every single thing. And speaking about that, I'm doing like the cutest filter. Let me show you guys the drawing with like the main photo area that is going to be there at the festival. Let me show you guys it. I'm so freaking excited. Oh my god, look how good it looks all drawn out. So this is like the main entrance to the festival. So I'm going to be doing a filter with this so that people who come to the event will be able to check this filter out. And speaking about filters, you guys, I have the cutest filter on Instagram. Like, I will put in a clip so you can go ahead and see it. So this is the filter. I'll have it linked in so you guys can go ahead and check it out. But how cute is it? And when you tap to change, like, it comes up with pretty moments below, and then you can take like the cutest video ever. Seriously, it is like my dream filter, and I've always wanted to create like a cute Instagram filter. So go download it, go try it out. But that will be like the basis of my full festival filter, which I'll show you guys next week. I got some things on Amazon, so I decided to do a little unboxing with you. By the way, you need to get one of these little box cutter things. Of course, mine has to be pink, but it makes it so easy to just open packages. And I've been learning that since I have my natural nails now and I don't do acrylic nails and stuff like that, that I have to be really careful with like using my nails to open things. So that's why this box cutter comes in really handy. I have wanted these magic candles for such a long time, and yes, it comes with a wand, and I can't wait. I have like this Christmas vision in mind, that Harry Potter Christmas, so I can't wait to use them. I also needed to restock on some greenies for my cats. I order the majority of my cat food, if not all, from Amazon, especially their snacks, because I'm really careful about what I give them. Last year I was gifted a diffuser and I just completely underestimated how amazing it is. So I needed some diffuser reeds. I like diffusers right now because I feel like if it makes the place smell really good all the time without having to light a candle. So I needed to refill, and this was a good buy. Then I got a Christmas mat. What is that called? A Christmas tree rug. And of course, my cats, if you know, you know, cats just love boxes. So they were just having a time with these boxes that I got.
Every hour I spend is on you every single day. I've always wondered what it takes to fill this empty void inside. Something about you makes me wanna be with you for a long time. Do ba do be do do be do 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 day. Do ba do be do do be do 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 day. Do ba do be do.
I just have to show you my cats getting really excited about a grasshopper outside of the window, and this had them focused for such a long time. I hope that you enjoyed this video. I know it was a little bit short, but thumbs it up if you enjoyed it, and if you liked this format and if you want to see more like these. Don't forget to also subscribe so you won't miss anything, because I have so much things planned. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Mwah.